Hi, and welcome to How to Sew. In this video, we are going to make a onesie. If you like this video, show it by giving a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe. What we need is scissors, cutter, glue pen, pins, clips, and fabric. We are going to start with the front and back piece. As always, pay attention to the direction of the fabric shedding. It should be vertical. Cut out the sleeves. I fold the fabric so that I get both pieces at once. Lay the front and back piece on top of each other and attach the shoulder clips. You can use the glue pen to make it more stable. Remember that the front and back piece have to be in opposite directions. Then I sew both shoulder seams. Put on the sleeves using clips or needles. I cut a small notch in the middle of the sleeves so I can find the sleeve's center point. The small notch should hit the shoulder seam. Sew on both sleeves. Fold the rib double and sew it. Place the neck rib to the neck opening and put clips on. Be aware of where you place the seam we just made. We want to make it as invisible as we can. We are now ready to attach the neck rib. I'm stretching the rib gently while I'm sewing it. I have to be careful because I don't want to stretch the main fabric. That will leave waves in the fabric. Fold the ends of the sleeves and put clips on. Sew the edge using a straight stitch. I use a baby lock cover stitch machine, but you can also use a regular machine. Get ready for the side seam. It should start from the edge of the sleeves and all the way down. You should only take one side now. We save the other for later. Sew the side seam. Sew on the rib at the bottom using a folder. If you do not have the folder device, you can use twin stitching on a regular machine. Now get ready for the other side seam. Make sure the seams are laid against each other. Sew the side seam. It can be difficult to get over several layers of fabric. Then you can pull a little in the fabric. We are almost done, but first, we have to fasten the threads and attach the buttons. I use prime burial pliers. It fits plastic and metal buttons. Now, you have sewn a onesie. See you next time!